Hi everybody, this is CR number 5, question number 1, helper video. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to take a look at our parentheses because we always have to remove parentheses before we do anything. Now what might be confusing you is you have the 4 sitting after the parentheses. Well, if it makes you feel more comfortable, just go ahead and rewrite it with the 4 in front of the parentheses, and then you will understand how to distribute a little bit better. There is nothing wrong with rewriting it so that you understand it a little bit better. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is look at this number that's outside of the parentheses, which is the 4. I'm going to go ahead and distribute it to each term inside the parentheses. Remember, distribution actually means multiplication. So the first thing we're going to do is take 4 and multiply it by 3x to get 12x. Now you're going to go ahead and say 4 times 2. Remember, it's a positive times a positive, which is a positive, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now the 2x, I like to say, they didn't go to the party. They weren't invited to the parenthesis party going on up here. So all I have to do is bring that down. Now you might be noticing I have actually 3 terms. And since I have to put this in simplest form, I'm going to see if I have any like terms. It looks like I have some x's going on here and some x's going on here. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my columns of x's and no's over here to the side. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to write those terms right underneath the correct column. So under my x's, I have a 12x and I have a 2x. And under my no's, which just means no variable or a constant, I have a positive 8. I then go ahead and add them together. 12x's plus 2x's are 14x's. And I bring down my plus 8. Oops, sorry for that sloppy 4. And my final simplified answer is 14x. Notice I didn't write it over there. I better write it. Plus 8. I can't go any further, so I am done. Good luck.